Hello, it's Will from IBCstuff.com with a suggestion for how to replace your old IBC drain valve. If you have a valve like so and wish to replace it, you need, in most cases, a simple adapter. There are 4 possible threads that it could be on an IBC bottle. Simply expose it, measure it, purchase the correct adapter, which are all found on our website, and purchase the right one, thread it onto there. This takes a 75 millimeter thread and converts it to 3/4 inch. From there, you could go to any store and purchase the valve you desire, thread it into there, and you're good to go. I hope this helps. If you have any concerns, please email Will at ibcstuff.com. And if it is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.